you haven't edited this anyway, have you, other than adding captions?
Yeah, all I was load it in and started adding captions.
Awesome. In that case, we're going to start from complete scratch.
I really appreciate that.
Drag the video. You can do it either here or here.
Okay, that's good to know.
Hiya.
Hello.
To create video app.
So what we're going to do is you go to text,
Okay.
click add captions,
Okay.
generate captions, which you already knew.
Cool.
Let that load in. We're going to click on text again. Click
Text
on
again.
captions.
Okay.
Right now we can see they're all selected and they're all the purple and white.
Yeah.
I'm going to click on one of these.
Okay.
They say grouped. I'm going to click on effects.
What did you see it saying grouped? I can see it says ungroup.
Well, if
Does that
it
mean-
says ungroup, it means that it's grouped already.
Okay.
What colour do you want the background to be?
Either white or white.
Cool. White works.
Yeah.
And then we'll go to the text and we'll
that
make
was, I thought I'd saved a brand kit. I'd saved like a brand kit. I thought I'd put in a electric blue sort of colour. So if I go here, can I just make it like this electric type blue? Yeah, I'll do to the top corner. Yeah, I'll do. How do we save that? I thought I had you saved. Okay, so that's now
I'll
there.
click done.
Okay, so if I go there you go.
Okay.
Is that a good contrast, do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, and I want to put
And
it
now
on-
we're going to check, because we haven't clicked anywhere else, it seems to have applied all the way through, and you wanted these, so select them once. You wanted them at the top, right?
Yeah, because there's not enough
Stand
space.
out.
Do you think there's enough space above or below? What do you think? 'Cause
Above looks good. How about the size? Are you happy with the size?
Yeah, I think that's big enough for people to be able to read that.
Okay, so that's all I've done so far. So I uploaded the video,
Yeah,
clicked it, went to text, I clicked on captions and generated them.
cool. It was
And
really
then-
easy. And so I just got to go and check. Now, how do I check the captions?
You just kind of click this and drag through. There is no...
There was. I found it yesterday. Maybe I clicked on that, and then I definitely did something. Do you want to pause it a second till we find out? So I went up there to find captions.
So let's see. It should always be available when you have captions. A little pop up here, top left,
There you go.
at the bar. You have the captions that you can
Cool.
edit here and
Yeah.
you can check through them.
Cool. That's all we needed. And then obviously uploading is the same as it always is. So that's it.